The UK has been the first in the world to approve the COVID-19 vaccine by Pfizer and BioNTech. Tests of this vaccine show that it's 95% effective and effective at preventing people of all ages and all ethnicities getting coronavirus. It's going to be rolled out in the UK next week. How safe is it? It was developed really quickly, in only a matter of months, but scientists say the speed of its development does not mean it's not safe.
Everyone can be absolutely confident that no corners whatsoever have been cut.
The UK's medicines regulator, the MHRA, says the vaccine was put through an extremely thorough and scientifically rigorous review before being given clinical approval. It was tested in the same way as any other vaccine would be tested, the same group size of people, which was about 45,000, and the same testing time frame. But the way they sped things up was by overlapping different phases of the trials. So that meant one phase of testing didn't need to finish before they started the next. Does the vaccine have any side effects? People have been asking about the side effects of COVID vaccines. This is what Professor Sir Munir Pir Mohammed had to say.
The safety of the vaccine is similar to other vaccines, and most of the side effects are very mild and usually last for a day or so.
Common side effects of vaccines include pain or swelling where the vaccine was injected, mild fever, chills, fatigue, headache, and muscle and joint aches. How soon will the jab be ready?
We'll start vaccinating people next week, now that we have a clinically authorised vaccine. We've got the first 800,000 doses are on their way and ready to go.
In total, the UK has ordered 40 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine, enough to vaccinate 20 million people, because each person needs 2 jabs 21 days apart. Who will be the first to get it? Residents in care homes and their carers are first on the list, with those aged over 80 next in line, as well as frontline health and social care workers. It's hoped that in the first phase of the vaccine programme, 99% of the UK's most clinically vulnerable will be vaccinated. How easy will it be to roll out? Because the vaccine must be kept at a temperature of -70 degrees, getting it to the UK from where it's being made in Belgium is tricky. Firstly, it needs to be shipped in special storage containers, but when it arrives in the UK, it will then need to be stored in extra cold freezers. Hospitals will have these facilities, but not all GPs and care homes will. Although once the vaccine is taken out of the freezer, it will be stable between 2 to 8 degrees to allow for deployment in different vaccination sites. The rollout of COVID jabs will be the UK's largest scale vaccination campaign in its history. And while it is good news, England's Chief Medical Officer has warned the public not to lower their guard, because it won't be until spring when the vulnerable population are fully vaccinated.